I'm evaluating a piece of software that says it integrates with QuickBooks Premiere Contractor Edition. I have QuickBooks Premiere Accountant Edition. Will it work? Dollars to donuts, yes. And if they say, oh, well, I don't know about anything else, I just know it integrates with the Contractor Edition, don't worry about it. Yes, it will work. There are 3 types of locally installed QuickBooks programs: Enterprise, Premier, and Pro. Enterprise really has a different back end than Premier or Pro, and there are some programs that may integrate with Enterprise that don't integrate with Premier or Pro. But whatever the back end of QuickBooks Premier and Pro look like, I've never seen any differences with integration, and certainly among different editions of Premiere, I've never seen any differences in the ability to integrate. On top of it all, you're using the Accountant's Edition, which is, in my opinion, the best edition of QuickBooks Premiere to use because, among other things, A, you can have all the functionality of all the other editions of QuickBooks Premiere, and 2, if you want to experience QuickBooks for some reason the way that someone in a different edition experiences it, the Accountant Edition has a button in the file menu that says toggle to another edition. So even if this other software company is saying, well, we only integrate with the Contractor Edition, don't sweat it. At the very least, you should be able to toggle to the Contractor Edition, but I really don't anticipate any issues. Go ahead and go forward with the software. If they say it integrates with Contractor, it'll integrate with Accountant.